Well, the reason I think it was Secretary Bonoan who said that basically that he took responsibility because it was under all of these things happened, all of these problems happened under his watch. So under the principle of command responsibility, he felt that he should leave his post. So and why Vince Dizon? Because he seems he's done a very good job at the OTR. And I think he's already set the stage for all of the things that we need to do. So pwede na niyang iwanan and go to public work because he's also familiar with the workings of the Department of Public Works and Highways.